Hello, in this video, I want to quickly give a practical explanation of the tool Ansible, right? So Ansible is just a configuration management tool that you can use to manage your infrastructure. For example, if you have several EC2 instances and you want to ping them, you want to ping all of them at once, or you want to install a web server on all of them, right? Maybe, for example, Apache web server, right? You want to install it on all of them. You can use Ansible. So let me use this documentation to just explain the Ansible architecture, right? This is the Ansible documentation. So now you have what is called the control node, right? So in your control node, you install your control node is just like an EC2 instance, right? You install your Ansible engine on your control node, and also you can create an inventory file on your control node. Then you have what is called the manage node. So your control node, you can ping the manage node from your control node. So let me explain that practically. This is my AWS account. This is going to be my control node, right? This is my control node. And these other two EC2 instances, you see them, the two hosts, Red Hat two hosts, they are my managed node, right? Just like we have here. So now let me go to my control node, and then I will show you that Ansible is installed, and then I'll also show you the inventory file. So now I will come to Cloud9, and then if I click on this, it's going to take me here, right? So this is my Cloud9 environment, and there's a lot here. So let me just show you. So this is my this is the private IP address of my control node, which is, so it starts with 172 and ends with 244. So if I come here, if I click on this control node, right? So you see it starts with 172 and ends with 244. So that's exactly the, so that's exactly the control node, right? So if I do Ansible version, you will see that in my control node, Ansible is installed. You see that Ansible is installed. And inside this control node, I have my inventory file. Let me just kill this. So inside this control node, I have my inventory file. The inventory file is actually inside this folder, this directory. So this is the directory here. So this is the inventory file, right? This is it here. So inside it, so if I just pull it here, that's the inventory file. And this inventory file contains basically the information to ping the manage node. So these are the manage node. You see Red Hat 2 host, DB 2 host, which is what I have here. So if I come to dashboard and then I come to instance, so you see Red Hat 2 host, DB 2 host. So that's exactly what I have there, right? So if I want to ping this, let me see. If I want to ping this, if I want to ping it, right? Maybe I want to ping the two EC2 instance at once, right? So I can just run the command Ansible all, right? You can just run Ansible all because I already created an ansible.config file. That one we can talk about that one later. I can just do Ansible all, and you will see that it will ping the two EC2 instance at once. So let me click enter. You see that it pinged the two EC2 instance at once, right? Actually, the full command, if you want to run that, the full command is Ansible. This is the full command. Let me clear so that it will be up here. So the full command to ping the two EC2 instance is this. So this is its ping here. So it's Ansible -i. The I there is for inventory, and then this is the inventory name, the name of the inventory file, right? I called it INVEC2, inventory EC2, right? Then I want to ping all the EC2 instance, right, that are inside, right? I want to ping everything. Then the module is ping, right? So that's just, so let's just see. So you have the control node, and then you have the manage node, right? So you have it here. See that? See a system on which the Ansible is installed. then a list of managed node that are logically organized, then that's the inventory. Then you have the managed node, a remote system or host that Ansible controls. That's it. So you can ping it, Ansible can call the managed node, which is exactly what I just showed you here. So that's just a quick introduction to Ansible, right? I hope this helps you get the idea of what the tool Ansible is. Thank you.